Spotify queue not working problem. First of all, hold into the app for some time and it will open a pop-up dialog. So at the top right corner, there is an I button. Tap on I and it will lead you to settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on storage. Now what you need to do is tap on clear case and tap on clear data and confirm to delete. Tap on delete. Now close the application and reopen it to see if the problem is fixed. If not, we need to check that we have the latest version installed. For that, open Play Store, into the search bar and type Spotify. Hit search. Now tap on the Spotify app and if any update is available, there will be an update icon instead of open. Make sure to tap on that and make sure that you have the latest version installed to avoid any bugs or glitches causing the problem. So I already have the latest version installed, so I'm just gonna open the app and my problem will be solved. And that's it, guys. If you find this video useful, then you know what to do. Yeah, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.